Hi everyone, this video is about a budget bathroom makeover, without changing tiles or doing major renovation. And at the end of the video, I will also add before and after. The first thing is to replace the old sink with a modern vanity unit. Not only because of it has a modern design, but also because the sink is wider and there are drawers underneath where you can hide all the creams and bottles that are always inside. To install it, I first installed brackets that were included, having marked and drilled holes for them in advance. Then I hung the cabinet on them and secured everything in place. I glued the sink to the cabinet using a white sanitary silicone. The next step is to replace the old mirror with a heated mirror. Initially it was a regular mirror from IKEA, which I upgraded with a heating element. Please let me know in the comments if you're interested to see how I did this upgrade, and I will make a separate video for this. Then I replaced the regular vinyl curtain with a glass one. The glass I ordered from a glass company, and the mounting brackets I bought at a local hardware store. To glue the glass into the brackets, I used transparent silicone. If you would like to see this process in more details, please let me know, and I will make a separate video for this. A small but very important part of this makeover is the installation of wall lights. Then I built a cabinet for the washing machine. This cabinet is more for hiding everything that usually accumulates on the top of the washing machine. All sorts of baskets, hair dryers, washing powder, and all that stuff. I assembled the bottom cabinet right on its place and screwed it to the wall. I thought it would be easy this way. Then I assembled the upper cabinet and also screwed it to the wall and the bottom cabinet. The hardest part here was lifting the upper cabinet alone. I also moved the ventilation that is behind the cabinet. When the frame is ready, I installed the doors and handles. And on both sides of the washing machine, I installed decorative panels that can be opened if necessary. There is a detailed video on the channel about how I made this cabinet. Be sure to watch it. There is a lot of interesting stuff there. And as I promised, before and after.